Laong, Maria la jamin kini ki arngut ki sestar hakas ngi sejan. Sya ujor bat sya IFIR kela. Kini ki nong yalam jong ka pajarang dal. Ha kini ki laingut ki samla kentai Hanarayan Pur Police Station. Namar bakila sya berngem bat sya bersit. Bat sya penbor hakit khot ka pajarang dal. Ban keno persya ya kini ke sestar. Bagi de ki nong khayi ban penkelan yang jubor ya ki. Kakis kepala pengat mensuai kini ke sestar. Mentah kelawan kela sya kini ki nong yalam pajarang dal. Hadin kejing pla jong kini kisamla kentai. Detang namar bakila sya berngem bat sya bersit ha kini ki pajarang dal.
I am in front of the Durg Central Jail where the two hapless nuns and the Adivasi Yuva young man have been imprisoned. And we have been consistently supporting the cause. And we have been visiting the offices, institutions and other places of the Christian community here. And we have been hearing them, listening to them, and we have been interacting with the civil society. And we are happy that the fight and also this constant support has yielded some result. But let me just say that this is only a partial victory. We have to fight to make sure that this FIR is quashed. Along with that, there are so many false cases that he has been implicated. And the BJP hasn't yielded. The Sangh Parivar is still active in spreading canards. Even today in the morning, there was digital poster which was circulated saying that these two nuns were instrumental in human trafficking. And the BJP is running with the hare and also hunting with the dog here. So we have to make sure that all like-minded parties, progressive forces, secular forces are rallied so that this onslaught that is happening against the minorities across North Indian states and the farce that is being happening in the name of convention laws are being defeated. These nefarious schemes for BJP have to be defeated. And today I can say that the Constitution, the Samvidhan has won. And let all of us continue with this fight. And unless a resistance is being unleashed, unless this fight is being taken ahead, there may not be any respite. So let us be cautious and let us be conscious about the fact that this victory is only a partial victory and a larger struggle lies